Hi, this is Bijan here. In this video, I will talk about GA4 lead event tracking. Most websites track page views in GA4 but forget to track leads properly. And without lead events, your reports, panels, and ad optimization all becomes inaccurate. So today, I will show you how to track lead event properly. To do this, first of all, we need to connect to Google Tag Manager with our website. So you can see this is my Google Tag Manager and I already connected this Google Tag Manager with this website. I hope you already know how to connect Google Tag Manager with the website. So to set up the event, first of all, I have to understand when I will collect the event as a lead event. In my case, where someone submit this form, then I would like to collect an event as a lead event. So to set up the event, I need a code. This is the code what I need. Just copy this on, then go to Google Tag Manager text and new. From here, it will be custom HTML and paste the code here, and the trigger will be DOM ready. Okay, just save it. Let's preview the GTM and see it works or not. Okay, you can see the tag manager is connected. Let's submit this form. Click on submit. If I go to tag assistant, you can see a lead event is fired and the name of this event is generate lead. If I click here, then you can see here is the event and the first name, last name, email, phone. So most of the cases I notice that if someone just click here, then the event is fired. And it's totally wrong what I already told you. Your event should be fired when someone done the form properly, okay? So I already got an event. So now we have to send the event to GA4. To set up this, first of all, we have to connect the Google Analytics 4 with this website. To do this, you can see this is my Google Analytics. Click on admin, the data stream. From here, just copy this measurement ID and go to variables. I will create a constant variable for this ID. Click on new, constant, paste it here. Go to text, new, Google Analytics, then Google Tag. First, go to Google Tag. Let's save. Now we will create an GA4 event. So to create this from Google Analytics, select Google Analytics event. And here we have to put the measurement ID. This is the measurement ID. This one and the event name. Google recommends to send the event name as a generic lead. So the same name we can use. And in the event parameters, we have to send the value and currency. So in my case, I am going to use a static value and my website currency is USD because it's US based business. That is why I'm going to use USD. So value can be anything. Okay. Trigger will be custom event. Just copy this one, paste it here. Save. Again, save the tag. Let's preview the GTM as well as go to Analytics 4, and from admin, we have to go to the debug view. Okay, it's connected. If I submit this form, let's submit. Oh, sorry. You can see generate lead event is come and tags fired is the tag and the event is sent. If I go to the Analytics 4, Well, you can see the generated lead event is come. If I click here, then you can see this is the value 100 and this is the currency. So in this way, you can actually track the generated lead event for your business. If you send the wrong information to ad and analytics platform like GA4, Facebook, PKL, Google Ads, then it will optimize ads based on your wrong data and it's really harmful for your business. So I hope you guys could understand how to track the lead event properly and send it to GA4. So if you have any questions or confusion, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you need any help with any kind of tracking, then feel free to reach out to me. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again. Till then, bye bye.